Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to multiply and divide polynomials. This is lecture number 15. So before we learn how to multiply polynomials, let's learn how to multiply polynomials. But before that, let's define exponential notation. So unsa daw ning exponential notation? So i-define sa nato siya. So to define exponential function, we have this. If a is any real number, so bisan unsa kabalo naman ta no, unsa na mga real number? It can be fractional or irrational, rational or irrational. We've already learned that. And n is any positive integer. So kung may kag positive integer, n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Okay? Any positive integer. Then the nth power of a is this one, a raised to n. So pag mayong day kag nth power, mo din yung pasabot no, a raised to n. Pero unsay pasabot aning a raised to n? A raised to n is equal to a times a times a times a and so on and so forth times a. Pero pila ka buok a? Okay? So pila ka buok a? N ka buok. Okay? So we have n factors. So kung pila na diha, mao pod na ang kadaghanon sa imong a nga i-multiply, no? So in other words, si a i-multiply nimo sa iyang sarili n times. Okay? So mo nang pasabot sa a raised to n. Okay? So the a here is called the base. So ang tawag di ani base, and n is called the exponent. So ang tawag ani exponent. Okay? So we have this one, no? A raised to n. So this one is the nth power of a. Okay, so for example, we have, okay, to give you an illustration. So let's say ang atong a dere kay let's say 2. Unya ang atong n dere, okay, ang a nato kay 2, ang n nato kay let's say 3. According sa definition, si a daw i-multiply sa ang sarili n times. So in this case, si 2 i-multiply nato sa ang sarili katulo. Okay? So you have 2 times 2 times 2. So that is, to simplify, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So meaning 2 raised to 3 is 2 raised to 3 is 8. So it's wrong when you say 2 times 3. Okay, it's wrong. Kaya ang meaning ani kay ito, ang base i-multiply sa ang sarili katulo. So that's why 8. Okay? So mo ning pasabot ni ani. So as you can see, 3 siya, meaning si 2 i-multiply sa sarili katulo. So meaning katulo ni mo ni gibutang si 2 as a factor, and then multiply them all, so you have 8. Okay? So mo nang pasabot aning exponential notation. So ang answer ana kay kini. Okay, another example, number 2. So let's say you have 3 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4 is similarly 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So meaning si 3 multiply sa sarili kaupat. So kaupat siya gi-multiply sa sarili. So to simplify, we have 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. So ang answer 81. So ang answer sa third power of the fourth power of 3. So the fourth power of 3 is 81. So this one. Okay? Okay, sige. Proceed. You have number 3. Next is let's say 5 raised to 5 raised to 2. So it's just simple. Si 5 i-multiply siyang sarili, kaduha. So that is 5 times 5 is 25. So that's the answer for 5 raised to 2. So ana ang pasabot na exponential notation, no? So napod tay definition mamaya if your n here is negative. Okay? Napod tay definition if n is 0. Okay? So to give you an overview, if a is any non-zero number, non-zero, dili zero, no? So unsa nga number basta di zero? When raised to 0, that is always equal to 1. So definition na siya actually. So pag ang a any number, okay? So pwede na 0. Basta i-raise og 1, always gid na equal kang a. Okay? So by definition. Pag negative po siya, let's say a raised to negative n, where n is a positive integer. So that is equal to 1 over a raised to n. So muna siya, definition gina siya. Later we will deal with exponents nga negative o exponents nga 0. But right now, let's deal with exponents na positive integer. Okay, so basic lang siya. Okay, I hope nakuha ang exponential notation. Okay, but before we again learn how to multiply polynomials, let's learn the laws of exponents. So kini siya, magbalik-balik kini siya, no? Kay laws of exponent. As long as we deal with exponents, magamit kini sila. Okay? So perhaps no magamit ni sila. So let's learn how to apply this laws of exponent. So first natay I. For I, no? Kung tanaw nimo ang I kay if a raised to x times a raised to y, so nagmultiply ka, ang product ana kay equal ra sa a raised to x plus y. So i-add lang ang mga exponents. Okay, so i-add lang nimo ang exponents. Kana lang if pareha ang base, ha. Okay, remember pag pareha ang base. Pag dili pareha kay dili nimo siya ma-apply, all right? Because this law requires that your base must be the same. Okay? Dapat pareha. Nya nagmultiply ka, okay? Dapat nagmultiply. Okay, so for letter I, we have as an illustration, let's say 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 3. That is equal to, according sa rule, kay 5, i-copy lang ang common base, and then i-add ang exponent. So 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is obviously 5. So 5 raised to 5 is your answer. But you can still answer 5 raised to 5. Okay? Okay, next is for product rule. Okay. So let's say you have 3 raised to 4 times 3 raised to let's say 3 raised to 3. So that is, copy the common base, which is 3, and then add the exponent 4 plus 3. So that is 3 raised to 7. So the answer is 3 raised to 7. Yeah, it really makes sense, di ba? Kung tanaw nimo og balik siya ang kini, nganong pag ingani kay i-add yun nimo exponent, nganong i-add mo gid ang exponent. Okay? Sige, pwede nato siya i-kuan kadali, no? Tanawon nato kadali. Ngano kaha? Di ba pag ngayon ka og 5 raised to 2, that is 5 times 5, correct? So pag kana pong 5 raised to 3 kay kuan ra pod na 5 times 5 times 5, di ba? By kung expand nimo ang 5 raised to 3, so that is equal to, okay, so pag nagmultiply ka, nagmultiply pa jud ka ani, pwede ra nimo i-remove tanan parenthesis. So that will become kay multiplication na matanan. So 5 times 5 times 5. So isumpay ra na tanan, in other words. So pag kini 5 times 5 times 5, di ba equal na sa 5 raised to 5. Okay, so niabot ra jud ta ani. Okay. So that's why nga para dili na ta moagi og inani kataas or inani, no? Just simply add the exponents. My point here is kanang diha gid siya gikan, no? Okay. Sige, I hope na klaro ang law number 1. Okay. So for number 2, we have this one. Okay. A raised to x. So the x power of a raised to y. So kadi pag yung power gi-raise pag og y, equal daw siya sa just multiply the exponents. So muna ng xy diha sa taas. Then copy the common base. So that's the power rule. Okay. So example, you have 5 raised to 2, then raise again to 3. So according to the rule, just simply multiply the exponent. So that is, multiply the exponent, 5, 2 times 3. So of course, clearly that is 6. So 5 raised to 6 is your answer. Okay. Okay, another example. Let's say you have x raised to 3, then 5. So that is x raised to, according to the rule, just simply multiply 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is clearly 15, right? So your answer is x raised to 15. Okay? So I hope klaro ang second rule. Okay. How about the third rule? We have this one. A raised to x divided by a raised to y, that is equal to. So when you're going to divide, okay. But before that, let's go back to rule number 2. Ngano man nga nganong mag-multiply bitaw ka, no? Pag inani ang dagway, multiply ra yan ang exponent. Okay? So similar lang gyapon tong explanation kaganiha. Okay? So kani siya kabalo man ta nga kanang 5 raised to 2 nya gi-raise kan 3, that is, di ba, kung tanaw nimo siya, kini siya nahimo ng base nya gi-raise og 3. So meaning kini siya i-multiply na to sa iyang sarili katulo. So that is 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 2. Alright, so remember the rule number 1. So pwede man ni siya ma-apply nga rule, bahalag tulo ka buok. So let's say mag-add pa kag another diha, let's say a raised to z, add lang gyapon ka og z. So masin tulo na ka buok, so pwede nimo ma-apply. So that is 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2, so 6. So muna ni nakuha nimong 5 raised to 6. Okay? So ingana na siya. Okay. Next is we have rule number 3. A raised to x divided by a raised to y, that is equal to a raised to x minus y. So subtract lang nimo exponent. Ang numerator na exponent minus the denominator. So this one. Okay. So di siya pwede bali, no? So yeah. Rule number 3, you have this one. 2 raised to, let's say 2 raised to 3 over 2 raised to 2. So according to the rule, basta pareha lang gid ang base, okay? Basta pareha lang gid ang base, just copy the base, okay? So we have 2, then subtract the exponent, 3 minus 2, so that is 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, basta 1 gani ang exponent, automatic, diba? According sa atong overview nga definition sa taas, Diba? Pag A raised, so automatic ang base. Okay. So automatic yung sarili na. Basta 2 raised to 1, so that is 2. So the answer now is 2. Okay. Kung anong naiana naman po siya, no? Okay, so kung tanaw na to, it really makes sense because 2 raised to 3 here, di ba? Parehong sa 2 times 2 times 2 over ang 2 raised to 2, di ba, kay 2 times 2. Just simply cancel them out. So cancel, cancel. So of course, mabilin kay 2. So that's why makuha ang 2. Okay, nakuha. Pero para dili na kasi giging ani, okay, kaya taas na gid siya in the long run. Di na po siya practical kayo na solution. So just simply subtract, no? Muna gitagantag rule para madali ta. Okay? Sige, next is we have this one. Rule number 4. So according to rule number 4, that is called the power of a product. So pag nakigi-multiply sa sulod, nya gi-raise sa x, that is equal ra daw sa kung isa-isahon nimo og no, bali i-distribute nimo ang x sa a ug sa b as exponent, no? So yeah, we have actually 1 gid ang exponent niya na, so 1 times x, so we have x, 1 times x is still x. Okay, so may ani na siya. Again, nag-multiply ka, no? So that's the power product. So again, ang kaning sa sulod pwede dili magkapareha kay a ug b man. So basically bisaon sa nga number. Okay, so we have rule number 4. Okay, so for example, you have okay, so number 4, let's say you have xy raised to 2. So according sa rule, equal daw sa x raised to 2 times y raised to 2. Okay? So ingana na siya. Okay, next example, how about 5x raised to 2 nya gi-raise siya 3. How about that? So kung tanaw na to siya, ang a na to diri 5, ang b na to kay x squared, unya ang x na to kay kini, ang 3, no? So pareho daw siya ani. So just simply follow the rule. So ang 3 yan na siya, share diha kang 5 as exponent. So 5 raised to 3, then x squared raised to 3. Just simplify 5 raised to 3, that is 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. Then kini, remember this one. How do we simplify this one? Just use rule number 2. So kani ang gamiton, so diba i-multiply. Okay, so ang answer ani kay x raised to 6, diba i-multiply. Okay, so ang answer kay kini na dayon. Okay, so ana no pag-apply sa tong rules of exponent. Later maghatagtag mga examples na requires multiple applications of different perhaps different laws of exponents, or maybe the same laws of exponent. Okay, whatever is the case, ma-apply na to, no? Sagol-sagol ang mga laws of exponent. So please be familiar with all of this. Okay, lastly, you have rule number 5. So for rule number 5, kani lahi siya sa rule number 3. Okay, kay ngano man, okay, dili siya pareha og base. Nya ang fraction pod, no? Ang fraction gi-raise sa x. So equal na daw siya sa kung ang x i-share nimo diha sa a as exponent and then ang b, no? So may ana b raised to x. Okay? Pero given dapat ang b kay dili equal kang 0. So dapat ang b dili 0. This is called the power of a quotient rule. So kanino power of a quotient rule. All right. So yeah. anaw lang nato siya, bali distribute lang siya, so murag ina nang dating. Okay, so example, you have, let's say 2 raised to 3, then gi-raise siya og, let's say 2. So this is just equal to, according to that rule, 2 raised to 2, then 3 raised to 2. Then simplify, 2 raised to 2, di ba, ang 2 raised to 2, i-multiply sa sarili kaduha, so that's 2 times 2. Dili 2 times 2 nga ing ani ha. So, yang sarili kaduha, so 2 times 2, so of course that is 4 over 3 raised to 2, that is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, so 4 over 9. So that's your answer. Okay, how about kung lahi na siya? Let's say x raised to x raised to 2, then y dayon, and then gi-raise pa gid siya og 5. So makita nato ang rule dere, no? Ang a nato dere mo nang x squared, ang b mo nang y, ang x mo na ang 5. So according sa rule, that is ang a nato x squared gi-raise siya sa 5 over y raised to 5. So just simplify the numerator kay para mausa ra gyud. That is, we're going to apply rule number 2. Okay, tanaw na to, no? Nana siya dagway. So that is x raised to 10 over y raised to 5. So this is the simplified form, and we need that one. Okay, so to simplify this one, this is our answer. So be aware na mag-apply tag mga laws of exponents. Okay, so I hope nasabtan ang ato ang laws of exponent, because in the next portion of our video, next part of our video, we're going to learn how to multiply polynomials, and then we're going to apply these laws of exponents. So please be familiar. So that would be all for the first part of the video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.